Hey guys, it's Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop. I thought I would do a bow tutorial for the bow that I'm going to be using on my upcoming fall wreath. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this 4-inch, it's like a velvet solid brown to start off. So I'm going to make the top tail about 8 inches, and I'm just going to pleat it before I put it into my Easy Bow Maker, and then I twist. All right, and I'm going to do 2 loops at 7 inches long. So, and this is a little, it's not very sturdy, so I need to be careful. But I'm going to do 1 loop at 7 inches. There we go. Make sure it's all even. And then the second loop. And you can see it's a little difficult to work with, but we're going to get it done. Okay, 7 inches. And for this, I already measured it, the long tail, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the ribbon go throughout the wreath. You'll see in the next in my next video, but right now I'm just doing the bow. So so that's 2 loops at 7 inches. And then I'm going to go ahead with this beautiful it's a leopard print, because my attachment has a little leopard pumpkin. So I'm also going to do an 8-inch tail, and just like that, and then twist it. And this one, I'm going to do 2 loops at 6 inches long. So, or like a little less than 6 inches, just so that brown can show a little more. So that's 1. And 2. There we go. And again, this is going to be as long as the first one, but I will get into that more in the next tutorial. So I'm just doing the loops for you all right now on the bow. And then I thought it would be pretty to do this sparkle ribbon. It's another 4-inch ribbon. I'm sorry, 2.5 inch. It's like a gold, silverish, I don't know. Again, 8 inches. And I'm going to do 2 loops at 5 inches. I'm sorry, 4 inches. And you can do your loops as big as long as or as short as you want. I pretty much decide as I'm going and how it looks. So this was not planned at all. I'm just going with my heart, and my heart says 4 inches. There we go. Taken in. For some reason, the left side is always larger, my loops. So I need to work on that. Okay. And now I was going to use this, but I don't think it needs it. I think I'm just going to use these pumpkins. What do you think? Right? Yeah, I don't need that one. So 8 inches. And that I don't pleat because it's little. And I'll do 3. 2 loops at 3 inches. 3 inches. 3 inches. And again, I got most of this ribbon from Craft Outlet. This pumpkin one was actually, I purchased this last year at Hobby Lobby. Isn't it pretty? So hopefully they'll have that again because I used that a lot last year. And now I'm going to get a what is this called? A floral wire and a zip tie. And lift it up like so. And then I'm going to take my zip tie and again, don't do it so tight where you can't fit your floral wire in, because that's going to be a pain to try to get that back in. And so try to get it as even as possible, but there we go. And now you can really and there we go. Oh, it's so pretty. There we go. And then I'm going to move you. Okay. Sorry, and this is what I'm working on. Okay. Hello. Hi. All right. Now I'm going to cut this, the long piece of the zip tie, like so. And just twist the floral wire a little. So here's our bow. And I, for this, am going to put it right here. This is the worst part, getting the bow in. And then you just secure it on the back of your wreath frame so it doesn't go anywhere. And you don't want to like pull it too tight, or else the bow is going to like encave. So let's see that little. You just got to fluff it up a little. And I like to move these center loops. And these are long, because what I'm going to do and I like waterfall them. However you like to do it. Just and what I do is I find two open ties, pine ties, and I just stick the wire in, or the ribbons in, and there. And you can do it one or twice, two. I think this one, I'm just going to do it once. And you can move these ribbons around however you want them, because I want that to show, because that's. And then you're going to take some scissors and you're just going to ducktail this is gonna be a little, because this, what is it, velvet, I think? Yeah, velvet. So, oh, that did not, look at that. Oh, actually, no, I need it more of a tail. It's not, there we go. All right. I don't want it to cover the pumpkin because this is our centerpiece in the wreath. Isn't that pretty? So yeah. All right. Sorry, I'm moving the camera all over. So yeah, this is the bow for this fall wreath, and in the next video I'm actually going to put some greenery in it. So come on back, and if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel, Caleb's Mom Shop. Also visit my Etsy shop at calebsmomshop.etsy.com, and I will see you guys soon. All right, bye-bye.